Despite having over a decade of graphic design experience, I initially struggled with logo design projects until I totally grasped the 6 incredible logo design tips I am about to share with you in this video. So logo design is a crucial part of branding that involves the combination of creativity, strategy, and attention to details. So whether you're a seasoned professional or a budding designer, incorporating certain practices into your workflow can significantly uplift the effectiveness of your logo design. So in this video, you will get practical insight that will help you in your logo design journey. So first off, we have to clarify what a logo is and isn't. So a logo communicates more with less. It doesn't have to be a literal artistic portrayal of the brand. So instead, it should be memorable, timeless, versatile, and unique. Qualities that a high detailed artistic artwork may not possess in most cases. Take a proper look at iconic logos from brands globally, and you will notice that their brand marks or logo do not literally depict their products or services. For instance, the Pepsi logo does not showcase a bottle of soda water, and the Apple, being a technology company, doesn't incorporate computer or computer chips in their logo. So, however, it is important to note that selecting any abstract object to represent a logo is not the solution. A logo encapsulates the brand's essence and its message subtly in the logo mark. Consider the Amazon logo featuring an arrow moving from A to Z, symbolizing the extensive online shopping experience with products from A to Z. Similarly, observe the Eden bicycle rider in the Tour de France logo, or the forward arrow cleverly integrated into the FedEx logo. So these examples demonstrate how designers utilize this abstraction to convey the brand's message in a logo. Creating a mood board is an essential step in the early stage of logo designs. It helps to gather inspiration, establish a visual direction, and ensures that the final style is in alignment with the client's vision. When creating a mood board, focus on elements such as color palettes, typography style, imageries that resonates with brand's personality. So one common mistake made by beginner logo designer, myself in the early days not excluded, was seeking out design inspiration or logo design inspiration from sites like Pinterest and Behance. That in itself is not wrong, but taking those designs and adding them to your mood board, it's a disaster in itself. So this approach has 2 adverse effects. Firstly, it constrains creative thinking and limits exploration. So secondly, which is more significant, is it results in the generation of design concepts that closely mimics existing logo projects. This is a fundamental flaw in logo designs, as it compromises the unique quality that every logo or brand identity should possess. The primary purpose of a mood board is to shape the style and the ambience of the project. It should serve as a guide for inspiration and encourages designers to derive ideas and concepts rather than mimicking or replicating existing logo designs. Although every logo designer might have a design process that works well for them, adding sketch to your workflow will surely make you a better logo designer. See, 80% of logo design work is done outside the digital realm. So the generation and refining of winning logo ideas is mostly done on paper. Therefore, incorporating a workflow that involves sketches is crucial. Once the phase of brand research, strategy, and mood board are complete, it is not advisable to immediately dive into the digital space. Instead, reach for your notepad and translate your logo design concept onto paper. One notable advantage of sketching is actually the flexibility it presents and lack of constraint, a characteristic that is always absent when you work directly in your computer. So generate numerous sketches for your logo design ideas on paper, refining them as you go. The process of refining ideas is considerably more straightforward on paper, allowing you to save time and effort in case your initial concept doesn't prove robust enough. The clarity you get from sketching on paper helps you to identify and strengthen your idea. And it is important to know that having an exceptional artistic skill is not a prerequisite for this process, as many sketch on paper starts off as rough sketch awaiting refinement. Begin by creating 10 to 50 sketches without overthinking them initially. From the entire collection, select a few you believe has the most potential. Prioritize refining these chosen sketches before transitioning to your computer for further development. So when crafting a logo, it is crucial to consider how well this logo will resonate to someone that is not familiar with the brand story. This is why we discourage complexities in logo designs or a design that embodies too many ideas. Clarity is key. A logo should be concise, clear, and memorable, even to someone that is seeing it for the first time. Designing without colors helps you to establish this clarity from the onset. Starting the design process in black and white allows you to concentrate on the fundamental elements of the logo: shape, form, and balance. A robust black and white design ensures the logo's effectiveness in diverse contexts, such as print and grayscale applications. So logo design involves navigating certain technical aspects. When creating your logo, it is important to consider how well it translates across various platforms, including screens and prints. Ensuring your logo scales effectively is crucial. In today's landscape, logo appears on various platforms and in various sizes, ranging from small icons to large banners. Conducting flexibility and legibility tests on your logo aids in crafting highly functional designs. Experimenting with scaling your logo both up and down, verifying its recognizability at different sizes. This brings us back to the earlier notion of simplicity in logo design. Complex artistic elements often lack the flexibility required in logo design. Even when considering negative space in logos, maintaining proportional clarity is vital. This ensures that when scaled down, the logo remains clearly visible. You can take a clue from iconic brands globally that had redesigned their logo to a more simplistic form over the years, revealing a primary aim to ensure flexibility and legibility while still upholding or maintaining the brand's essence. So when creating a geometric style logo, it is important to prioritize harmony and proportion. This is when the utilization of grid systems or the Fibonacci golden ratio becomes crucial. So crafting a logo with a geometric aesthetics requires staying clear of randomness. The placement of your rectangles, polygons, and circles should adhere to mathematical guidance. So take inspiration from well-known logos like Apple, which extensively used the Fibonacci sequence for its logo formation. In design, beauty is not in the eyes of the beholder. If not, we should not be learning design principles, color theories, and the rest. Incorporating mathematical principles like the Fibonacci sequence and grid systems can bring a sense of harmony and proportion to your logo design. The Fibonacci sequence, with its natural aesthetic appeal, can guide the placement of elements to create visual pleasing composition. Grid system provides structure, ensuring that your design aligns with a cohesive layout. So consider learning and incorporating these principles into your design anytime you have the opportunity to. So before wrapping up, I'll give you 2 bonus tips that helped me and surely will help you in digitalizing your logo and presenting them for better conversion rates. Always make duplicates. Before finalizing a logo, always create duplicates and explore variations. Experiment with different color schemes, fonts, and element placement to discover the most effective combinations. Having multiple versions allows for flexibility and ensures that the chosen design stands out with various applications. In fact, I regularly create duplicates to have the options of reverting to a previous shape or style if necessary. It is challenging to determine what works best initially, so making duplicates provides leverage and facilitates a more effective iterative process. Lastly, considering mocking up your design. Once you have finalized your logo design, it is essential to visualize it in real-world scenarios through mockups. Create mockups of business cards, signage, websites, and other relevant applications to see how the logo interacts with different mediums. These steps helps identify any potential issues and ensures the logo maintains its impact across various platforms. So thank you for staying through to the end. This is a logo design series I'm starting here in this channel. So do well to subscribe, like this video, share, and come back next time for more insightful and practical design content.